Assalamualaikum and hi. My group would like to present about Piaget's theory. First of all, I would like to introduce my teammates. First, me, Muhammad Iqmal bin Muhammad Yazid, Siti Mariam binti Mustafa, Siti Aina Nabilah binti Hussein, and Jin Yang Yi. Jean Piaget 1896 until 1980. Jean Piaget proposed 4 stages or levels to describe the development process of children.
First, the sensory motor stage. Second, the pre-operational stage. Third, concrete operational stage. And lastly, the formal operational stage. Number 1, let's look at the sensory motor stage, ages birth to 2. In the sensory motor stage, we develop through experiences and movement of our 5 senses. First, we start with simple reflexes, and soon after, we develop our first habits. From 4 months old, we become aware of things beyond our own body, and then as we get older, we learn to do things intentionally. The key point in this stage is the realization of object permanence, which means infants learn that things continue to exist even though they cannot be seen. For instance, the baby would cry because the mother went to shower and the baby thought that the mother is gone. But after that, when the mother came out, the baby would understand that objects continue to exist even when we can't see them.
Next stage is called pre-operational stage, which occurred to children from 2 to 7 years old. The children in this stage do not yet understand concrete logic and cannot mentally manipulate information. In this stage, children often understand things from asking why and how. There are 2 substages, which are symbolic function and intuitive thoughts. Symbolic function happens when a child is 2 to 4 years old. They can know alphabets in this substage. They also tend to role play with their friends. Children in this stage is egocentric, which means they only see things from their own perspective. For example, if they like Frozen the movie, they'll expect other kids and other person to like Frozen the movie too. Other than that, intuitive thought substage that occur from age 4 to 7. Children in this stage begin to have automatic thoughts that don't require evidence because they started to develop more logical thinking but no reasoning.
Next is level 3, concrete operational. Okay, concrete means physical things and operational means a logical way of operating or thinking. Putting it all together, child is beginning to think logically and rationally, but they tend to be limited to thinking about physical objects. This level spans the time of middle childhood. It begins around age 7 and continues until approximately age 11 and is characterized by the development of logical thought. The example of concrete operation firstly is classification, the ability to group objects on a basis of common characteristic. Other than that is seriation, the ability to order or rank objects on a basis of increasing or decreasing.
The last one is the formal operational stage. This stage occurs when children are around 11 years old and above. In this stage, children develop the ability to think about abstract concepts and hypothetical thinking, so they can come out with creative solutions to solve the problem by using a logically. Next, analogical reasoning is a type of comparison between two things by using an analogy to develop understanding and meaning. For example, if United Kingdom is to Europe, then Philippines is to Asia. Through reflective thought and even in the absence of concrete object, the individual can how understand relationship and do analogical reasoning. Next, deductive reasoning is the ability to think logically by applying a general rule to a particular instance or situation. For example, all countries near the North Pole have cold temperatures. Greenland is one of the countries that near the North Pole. That means Greenland has cold temperatures. So, in this stage, children doesn't need actual concrete object to answer questions via try and error. Instead, they can perform mental operations in the head using the abstract terms. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.